a TV tower that is AB is standing, which height is not given, we have considered it as H. It is on the bank of the canal, and from the opposite side of the BC is the bank. Now from the opposite point of the bank we have observed, we are going to get the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Now from this point again 20 meter away, if we are going, and from this if it is observed, the angle of elevation we got, it is 30 degree. We have to find out this height of the tower and width of the canal, means BC. Okay, so first we have taken this triangle. In this triangle tan 60, using the tan 60 we will get H is equal to root 3 into BC. Now then we have considered the another triangle, and in this triangle using tan 30 again we got the value of H, that is BC plus 20 divided by root 3. From equation 1 and 2 we can equate these values. After equating the values we can get the value for BC. Okay, and value for BC we got 10 meter, and already we know BC is equal to, in equation 1, that is root 3 BC. H is equal to root 3 BC, and hence we will get the height of that tower, that is equal to root 3, 10 root 3 meters. Now in question number 12, from the top of a 7 meter, the building height it is given 7 meter, and from its top, the top of the cable tower is observed, and we got that is the angle of elevation. As we got from this point we are going to observe, and we got angle of elevation, it means the cable tower is at a higher level, or its height is greater than the height of the building, and hence we have drawn TW as a tower like this. Now this angle of elevation, that is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so horizontal level to the line of sight, that will be 60 degree. Now at from the same point, the foot of the tower it is observed, and we got it is 45 degrees. So this angle also with respect to the horizontal level. We have to find out the height of the tower. Height of the tower means we have to find out TP plus PW. So one you consider this triangle, and another time you consider this triangle. First you consider this triangle because this 7 meter it is given, this also will be 7 meter, and we know that as this angle is of 45 degrees, so adjacent and opposite will be same. So this will be 7 meter, and then you use this triangle so that you will get this height PW. That is your homework, you can do it. Now if you are going to see question number 13, in question 13, from the lighthouse LT we have taken as a lighthouse which is of the height 75 meter. If from the lighthouse two ships are observed which are one behind the other, the angle of depression we are going to get it here, that is 30 degree and 45 degree, and we have to find out distance between these two ships. S and P are the ship's position. Okay, to find out this, now first we will use this triangle, so that by using the tan 45 we will get LS, that will be equal to 75. Now after getting the value of LS, now we have to use the triangle TPL, and there we are going to use tan of 30 degree, and hence we will get the value of LP. Now if LP minus LS we will do, then we will get the value that is equal to SP will be equal to 75 root 3 minus 1, that you can further solve, or you can keep like that only. Now in next question, balloon is observed by 1.2 meter tall girl. So girl height is already given here, so we should show it here. The girl height is 1.2 meter and balloon is observed from, this is at a height, balloon at a height 88.2 meter. Okay, so total height from the ground it is 88.2 meter, but height of the girl it is 1.2 meter, so that we have subtracted and we got it here. The position of the girl is here. Okay, from her eyes, if we will observe we are going to get the angle of elevation. The first angle of elevation we got a 60 degree, and further when the balloon goes away, the angle of elevation we got, that is equal to 30 degree. So now here we can use this triangle. In that triangle tan of 60 we should find out, so that we will get how much is the EO. Okay, and another we can use this triangle, that is ABE. This triangle we can use another time, and we can find out what is the tan 30. If you are going to find out, then we will get AE minus OE, that we are going to get, and that is nothing but the, sorry, this point I have written AC, and that is nothing but the AC, and AC is asked here.